The traditional global certification bodies charge 1,500 to 2,500 US dollars for a foundation level certification. 6 to 12 months of academic style preparation. Annual fees stacked across every certification you hold. And here is what nobody is willing to say out loud. That pricing model was never built for the working security professional. It was built for the candidate with employer sponsorship and time to sit in the classrooms. So I built something different. And we are giving away a million of them. I'm Siva RP, the founder and CEO of CorpSecurity International. Over the last 10 years, I have personally mentored more than 50,000 security professionals across more than 100 countries. And the question that broke me, and the question that finally pushed me to launch the 1 million mission was a question I kept hearing from Manila, from Lagos, from Manchester, from Dallas, from Bangalore, and 100 other countries. The same question in different accents. Sir, how am I supposed to afford a certification that costs 3 months of my salary? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Corp Security 1 million mission is. Who is it for? What it does actually do for your career. And honestly, who shouldn't bother applying? The structural problem in global security certification. Here is the truth that the industry has been comfortable ignoring. The corporate security profession globally is built on the back of working professionals. The officer doing 12-hour shift in a Mumbai IT park, the GSOC operator running console in Dallas, the loss prevention specialist working warehouse aisles in Dubai, doing real applied work. And yet, the recognized credentials for that work were priced to managers and directors. $2,500, 6 months of classroom preparation, maintenance fees stacked on top. The result, 90% of the people doing the work were locked out of the credential system. And then we wondered why the profession has such a brutal floor and such a slow ceiling. What the CSA actually is. The Certified Security Associate is the foundation tier of Corp Security International's role-aligned certification pathway. CSA, then CSS or CSI for specialization, CSM for management, and CSD for executive leadership. It is built specifically for working corporate security professionals, meaning the curriculum is mapped to what you actually do on the job. Physical security fundamentals, SOC operations, investigations, and structured security practice. 40% of the certification exam is physical security and core components. The rest is operations, incident handling, and professional pathways. No academic theory that you will never use. Just 4 domains a working professional needs to be formally validated on. The 1 million mission and the $50. The standard investment in the CSA is 650 US dollars. That includes training, examination, and 3-year credential validity, and listing in Corp Security Global Certification Directory. Through the Corp Security 1 million mission, the eligible candidates only pay $50, an enrollment activation fee. The training is grant supported, the exam is grant supported. The credential is real, globally recognized, identical to the standard CSA. This is not a discount. It is a deliberate grant-supported initiative to certify 1 million corporate security professionals globally. Who is eligible? Security officer to chief security officer working in corporate environments, military and law enforcement veterans transitioning into corporate security, and career changes entering into security profession with a serious commitment. These are the people eligible for the CSA. If you are looking for a participation certificate to frame on the wall, this is not for you. This is rigorous. 30 to 40 hours of training, an online proctored exam, a real validation from CorpSecurity International. What it does for your career. 3 measurable outcomes. 1. Salary uplift. Industry data shows certified corporate security professionals earn 25 to 50% than non-certified professional at the same experience level. For a $65,000 corporate security specialist in the United States, that is $15,000 to $30,000 annual differentiation. In India, security officer at 3 lakhs becomes position for the next level at 4 to 8 lakhs. 2. Promotion eligibility. Fortune 500 promotion panels increasingly require formal credentials. Without one, you are evaluated last. 3. International mobility. The CSA travels with you. We have certified professionals in the USA, Canada, UK, Germany, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, New Zealand, Ghana, Botswana, South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, and over 100 countries. One credential, global recognition. If this is for you, the link is in the description. corpsecurity.org/1 million mission. It takes 90 seconds to fill the application. If you are not sure whether the CSA or one of the Corp Security advanced certifications is right fit for you, book the free career guidance session. The link is also in the description. My team and I personally recommend the right path for your experience.